same road we're walking down, same job, same town. Cause we've been taught that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known.
One girl. One.
Hey guys, welcome back to Island Talks. Today we're about to take you on a adventure to Lacase waterfall. So stay tuned. Anything to say?
Yeah, well, as you're about to take that journey, I hope you enjoy the video. I think we have already done that run before. Yeah, but this time we're trying to get it better. So stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Yeah.
You have to go minimum 3 days.
Yeah. Hey, mommy, dia ni plan. Richie. Che. What you go down there for? What you go down there for? Why you looking for down there, Mr. Man? This kind of thing where you're practicing there. Okay. Make sure it's good thing.
Where go and buy you?
I do you go down there.
I'll be back.
Oh, it's an edge of the hair. Let me turn around. Come on, Rikel.
Come make it. You want to work with the big boys.
A bone. There's everybody in the back there. See them? Tired. Still there on the trail. It's a long distance, but still in such a big bamboo patch. Yeah. Big bamboo patch. It's like a house inside of there. I never mama laddie house by. Yeah. This is a paper. Yeah. You didn't know. You didn't know.
You didn't know, no, I don't know.
You didn't know, now you know. Eh? Rain falling, so right where he is here, where we walking here, used to be the river before. Like where used to be running. If you can see how like how clear that way the river used to be. You see all the stones and everything. But then as times goes by, keep dropping. So you see how far back it reaches now? At the river here. Nah, cross the river. And shoot across. That's what we did now. Rain falling. We're high up above water level. See that river down there? I don't know if all I could see, but rain falling. It's somebody farm. Somebody has some string beans coming up here. Hey. Huh? If
I see anybody.
So we finally reach the area, the dam. So we in a little junction like. So this direction over here is the road to go to Golden Falls. And this direction over here is the road to go to Lacase. That is where we go. So let's go. There's the dam. Used to be big before, but it gets shallow now. Have a little step to go down to it. Oh, it used to be real deep then. Yeah, up the river now.
That's it. Aku dah tahu no?
Yeah.
Let's come here.
Up the river, up the river. Go on, Pepper, go on. At night? Like in the night?
Yeah.
Nah, man. Me and you? Are they go up in? Oh. Simples? All the city. All the city. There is a pepper. There you go. Pass and go.
Come, Pepper. Come.
Coming up, but
Pepper. Pepper.
Adi Angie. You can find about the hike so far? Nice? Do you want to find about the hike so far? I find about the hike so far? Yeah, Andrew? The boss?
Up is up.
What happened to the waterfall? Something happened to the waterfall, Erickson? What tall you find nice? What tall you find nice? That's it. I was saying if that one had to be the waterfall, something had to wrong. Get inside it. So we're going up here. And up that direction the dry well you see the dry part. Up there the big stones. Huh? Up here, we're up here. So we finally make it to the waterfall. There's a little trail before we reach the waterfall. Yeah. Let me take a seed between the hair. Yeah. Seed now?
Yeah. Finally make it to the waterfall. Hello, welcome to La Casse. Thank you.
There's the waterfall. That's how deep it is.
Go on, girl. Go on.
Go on, go on.
Hello, that is how we spend with you today. That's how we spend with you today. Watch, you looking like you got paw up, eh?